I am insanely mega bullish, but it's not just me. There are so many people in the crypto space, especially those that are watching this channel right now. Thank you to all of you beautiful subscribers being part of the Crypto Bliss community. I truly appreciate you. For realsies now, serious, we're at a point in the crypto space that is absolutely signaling to us right now, regardless of the choppy volatility, that we are expecting to go on the next pump. And according to Jack Mallers, he believes it could go to the moon. I have to say, it's probably going to go beyond the moon very, very soon. Well, in this video, we're going to delve into content that may lead us down that rabbit hole on the clues towards the next cycle, how long it's going to be, what we need to be prepared for, and how you can position yourself to become a millionaire right here, right now, in this cycle with the Crypto Bliss community. So make sure you are subscribed right there, right now. Click over that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you know when I do these crazy videos for you, my community. Let's delve right into today's content. Starting off right here, right now. Thailand just went absolutely full bull. There will be no or 0% capital gains on crypto and crypto trades. In other words, they're all in on crypto, okay, and Bitcoin. The Pi cycle top indicator currently is showing us that Bitcoin could reach 194.5k. And usually, as you can see, Bitcoin tends to top out generally around December, most cycles and most seasons. However, we could possibly see an extended cycle moving forward. Right now, we're looking at the 194k. Mr. Michael Saylor believes we could hit 300k, 350k. I believe we could hit 300k. Arthur Hayes believes we could hit 750k. So I don't know who's going to be right. It really doesn't matter. The whole point is that Bitcoin is going up in price, in value, in market cap, and it is going down in supply. So if you want to be part of this revolution with the world's #1 asset at this point in time, and probably in all of history, well, my friends, you best be getting yourself some of that heat and that love down in the description of this video below. You can go ahead and find your Bybit link right there, and you can get up to $30,000 deposit bonus just by using my Crypto Bliss link right below. Now, I got wiped out of 2 of my trades, actually 3 of my trades now since Thursday evening when we had a bit of that bloodbath that came in, and that really is okay. There's nothing wrong with getting wiped out. I had my stop losses at break even, so I didn't lose money on those. But at the end of the day, that's the beauty and the power behind using your trading skills efficiently. If you want to know more about that, well, sign up to my channel, and I do give you content on how to trade and enter into trades. If you'd like to see more of that going forward, let me know down in the description of this video. Leave a comment down below. Now, right now, if history repeats, Bitcoin could reach 265k this year. We don't know. Nobody knows, but data can give us clues, and we do our best to use those clues to determine our strategy on where we exit in positions. Now, hear me out here right now. I am never selling a single Bitcoin or Satoshi, okay? What I will do always is you can loan against your Bitcoin on platforms like RV or Ledin, etc. But never sell your Bitcoin is the rule, okay? You can use those assets to gain wealth, to gain liquidity, to gain access to loans at extremely affordable rates. And there's so much benefit by doing all of that. I've been fiddling tremendously in DeFi, and it's a lot of fun. And if you want to me to do a video about that, let me know that down in the comments below. But drawing back here, there's a difference, right? In trading, you take all your profits, you sell whatever you have. In spot, for investment, or OTC for investment, you're buying those assets to hold long term, my friend. Long term, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, probably even Sui, Hyperliquid, Avalanche, Cardano. These are the things that I would want to hold personally long term. That's just my personal view. Now, if you're prepared to make life-changing gains and become a millionaire with me this cycle, well, then best be damn sure joining my channel. That's all you have to do. Now, currently, even though we've had the interest rate decision happen this week earlier, we have about 41 days until the next potential 25 basis points. Mr. Powell did confirm that there will be further rate cuts this year. It's likely to continue to be 25 basis points, and they're likely to just ease and ease and ease and ease. And if that was to be so, well, my friends, right now we're sitting at an 83% chance. That means more, cheaper money, more liquidity, more potential for investment. We have not even seen retail come into the space just yet, my friends. And that is why Bitcoin, really, this is possibly your last chance to make it big. Have a look at this chart over the lifespan pretty much of Bitcoin. It has only ever gone up. Okay, if you look at it, the lows, even the highs, end up being higher than the previous cycle's highs and lows. So you can't actually tell me that this asset doesn't increase in its value in terms of dollar and pretty much BTC against anything else. Now, yes, it's volatile because it pumps and then it hard dumps. It pumps and then it hard dumps and so on. But again, the point is that the lows and the highs continue to get higher. You can't, that's just charts. You cannot defy what the chart is telling you. The chart is the chart. And the same chart sits here when you look at what we're looking at right now. September is generally a very, very powerful time. September, October, August, September, March, April, August, September. September to October are generally absolute pump months for Bitcoin, okay, and risk on assets. According to Jack Mallers, Bitcoin is going to the moon. Do you believe it? Because I do, my friend. Otherwise, I wouldn't be investing in the space right now, would I? I wouldn't be putting my money where my mouth is, right? The Armenian Prime Minister has called on the nation to start mining Bitcoin. The global hash war is officially heating up. Are you prepared for what's about to come? Because US inflation is now back above the target of 2% at 2.24%. How brilliant! The tools are there and they manipulated, but they're working at their pace. That's what you have to understand. So there'll be a right time to put your money in and there'll be a right time to take your money out. And generally the best rule of thumb is ladder in on the way up and ladder out on the way down. Somewhat a simple rule, especially with Bitcoin going all the way up like that, right? And that's, we're talking about trading, if you remember. Bitcoin is a store of value. Bank of America predicts the entire US banking system is moving towards crypto payments. This is a mega bullish. And if you're mega bullish too, then obliterate that like button for the Crypto Bliss channel down below. I would love for you to obliterate it. According to Saifedean Amos, sorry if I mispronounced that name, man, but Saifedean Amos, if Bitcoin is worth 200,000, do not sell it and buy dollars. Because if BTC is at $200,000, the dollar is very close to its grave. I actually like that statement a lot. And if you like it too, obliterate the like button for us. Michael Saylor believes that Bitcoin will hit 350K in 2025. You're telling me Bitcoin is about a 3x in the next 3 months, meaning that's going to 100% gain every month for the next 3 months, technically. Are you prepared for what is about to come, my friends? I don't know. If you are, I'd love to know in the comments below if you're already investing in crypto. Now, according to Edward Snowden, gold is just Bitcoin that can't be sent over the internet. Very, very powerful statement that, right? Lastly, Mr. Trump says that stocks will do much better as time goes by. Wonder why? Rates dropping? Liquidity increasing? Regulation hot? International investments? Treasury companies? Institutions? ETFs? Retail? You see what I'm saying, my friend? We have trillions and trillions about to come into all risk on assets. If you're not positioned, you need to use my links down below. Come and trade with me now. Now let's go and have a look at Bitcoin. This Bitcoin currently is looking juicy here after a breakout, or a very small breakout of this all-time high. We have pulled back and found support on a upward trend, and now our next reach is to get back up above the 125 zone. We're looking so juicy there with this here right now. The stochastic and the MACD and the market cipher all telling us to buy. And now if I add my UT bots also, my UT bots, I do believe on the daily time frame did say buy. Would you like me to confirm that with you? It's telling us on the lower time frames. It told us actually a few days ago. There you go, to buy Bitcoin. Look at that, my friends. So do we pull back a little bit down here again, once again to 113 and then make our move up? Very, very, very high possibilities. And so when you look at the dominance is looking very much like it just wants to continue to roll over to the downside. Total 3, mega bullish on right now with a very, very strong exit potentially happening here. If we have a look at this very, very beautiful uptrend, boom, next level up is up here, my friends. 1.6 trillion, 1.7 trillion. Okay. Ethereum is looking really bullish at this point, regardless of the stochastics, the MACDs. And I say that because look at this very, very prominent bull flag that is busy forming here. And if that does look like a bull flag to you, which is quite obvious, we would put that at a potential breakout zone of there, and that would take us up to an $8,200 Ethereum. Who's ready for an $8,000 Ethereum? It's pretty much 100% gain in the next short little while, isn't it? 75% gain. Wow. I'm mega bullish, you can see. Not only that, but have a look at the total crypto market cap. Very much in a similar pattern to Ethereum. And so maybe there's a short-lived move to the upside just to get the market a little bit more warmed up on alts. But once we do that, that leads us to a breakout, kind of reaching up to the $6 trillion total market cap, obviously led by Bitcoin. When we look at others' dominance is on track. Look at this. On the weekly, boom, I did plug this in, boom, and then boom, and boom, and then who knows where we'll go here right now, my friends. But more and more, when you look at these charts, you can see that the mega bullishness is certainly forming for us right now. So once again, if you want to trade with me, use my Bybit link down below, pinned in the description of the video. And as you can see on the Bollinger Bands, we're starting to form higher highs and higher lows. Why would you be bearish at this point? The Bollinger Band is pointing up. We're looking very, very healthy. So once again, thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss community. I appreciate you, and we will see you on the next one, my friends. The next videos I'm going to share with you are just absolutely insane. And just by the way, if you are still here watching this video right now, I would like to say thank you to you and show love and appreciations to you for everything and your support in your community. Now, the one thing that I would like to ask you is, would you like to see more videos of me in raw footage, just talking naturally about the state of the market and where we're at and what we're doing? From that sense, let me know, and I will, absolutely start doing that for the community. For now, thanks for being here. See you on the next one.